Hi my friends, and welcome back to our Yokogawa CENTUM VP courses. And in this course we continue learning about the PID control, and in this lesson we closely look at the calibration mode. Also we will closely look at the simulation function of the data setup, and also we try to simulate the high and low alarms. So firstly, let's open our system view and again run our simulator. And here, my friends, we again must to download our function, our tags and our wiring. So let's try to open it again. Open and download. Check the status and let's open our FCS 100.01. And here we are, my friends. And my friends, here we have some options that we must know if we calibrate our devices on a plant. Firstly, let's open our tuning parameters, and here we have the calibration mode. Let's switch it to calibration if possible. Yes, right. Test here and press this button. Now our LC in calibration mode, and you see that the all alarm is disabled. So here we can now adjust our PID variables, our process variables. And also, my friends, one thing that you must know that during calibration, it's mean the sensor which send the signal to your equipment in PID control is absence, and you take and you assume its role, and you must know about which signal is sent to your. So let's add here 20 and press enter button. And let's look what happens in our tune. Yes, our NV is directly changed. And also, my friends, in our simulator, we also have the useful function that allow us to directly change the data inside the data items. And let's switch to our simulator, and this function must be here, and no, it's here. And here we can change the mode of our blocks. So let's firstly check the, let's do it with the FC mode. Let's check the mode of our FC in cascade mode and manual mode. Let's change it and let's look what happened. Okay, let's see, and here we FC. Okay, not copy. Let's write manual FC and mod. Date data. Now it's in manual mode, and let's change this mode to calibration and press setting. Now let's update again. No, nothing happened. Why? Let's do it again. Let's change it to auto mode. Out and setting. Now it's changed to auto mode. You can see it. And now let's change it to calibration mode. Setting is again in auto mode because it is actually in calibration mode. Let's do it again and change it to manual mode. Settings and update. Now it's changed to manual mode. And now let's check the connection between our LC and FC. Our manipulated variable is the let's try to change it to 55. It's still 50. So my friends, in this lesson I want to show you only the functions that we have in our simulator, and in the next lesson we try to make some alarms and we add the 3 alarm tags in our switches. So that's all for today, my friends, and I wish you good health and a good life. Subscribe to our channel, and if you enjoy the video, hit the like button. See you in the next lesson.